So once again, hello guys and welcome to this third class of our course about how to create a successful clothing brand. So in today's class, it's very simple what we are going to learn. We are going to learn how to create your Shopify account and how to set up everything so you will be able to have everything, all the access to create your store on the Shopify platform. So the first thing you guys will do is click on the little link that is in the document that I sent you, that I put it under this video. So simply go click on the document, take the link, copy, and paste it on your web browser. It will give you access to a page like this. So very simple. Simply click on Get Started, enter your email. So a password. Your store, then simply click on creating your store. You're supposed to have a loading screen like this when everything's ready. So for that, it's very simple what you are doing. Still tell us a little bit about yourself. You're not selling products yet. Uh, and you make $0. If you make more, well, just write more. Once again, you don't really have to complete this. It's just for their information. After that, you just fill up this form. So your first name, last name, address, city, zip code, and everything. When everything's done, you simply click on Enter My Store, and it's supposed to bring you to a page like this. So this will be your main Shopify page. Once again, it's not my store, it's just in an example store that I created for the purpose of this course. Um, so on a page like this, you will have, that's your home page. You should have everything here, and usually normally you should have a blue thing here that says this is a trial, but you will have access to all the platform and you will be able to create, you will be able to have access to absolutely everything, even with a trial account. So that's it for this course. In the next course, I'm gonna show you a bit more in details how works Shopify, well, more how works the platform of Shopify and what all those little things are used for. If you already have a Shopify account, you can jump to the class after the next one. We're gonna start we're gonna talk about the app and everything that is going to be used to create your clothing brand. But for the moment, you are all set and you have your Shopify account. So congratulations and see you in the next class where we are going to learn how to use the platform.